Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this simple paw print pendant. What you'll need for this is a background color and a color for your paw print. You'll also need a metal bezel. I get mine on Amazon. I'm just going to be using some different colors of green and marbling them for the background. I recommend using some liquid Sculpey and lining your metal bezel before you put the clay in. This will help it stay in place after it's baked. I definitely need a sharper knife, and I should have gone in back and forth motions, but I didn't, so we're just gonna fix that. Going over it one more time to make sure that it's flat. And just make sure that all of your edges are smooth before you start on the paw print. It might take a few tries to get the right amount of clay for your paw print for the size that you need it for. The shape I'm looking for is kind of like a heart. Again, this might take a few tries to get the right amount of clay, but I'm trying to make sort of bent teardrop shapes. I wasn't happy with the size of this ball of clay, so I took it off and tried it again. Once all the clay is on, I make sure that everything is shaped the way it should be. And now we bake. Now I'm going to be using some UV resin to finish. You could always use epoxy resin if you don't have UV resin. And that's it, a simple paw print pendant made out of polymer clay. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.